Welcome back to Speed Society, your home for everything automotive, from classic bikes to the most cutting-edge machines on the road. Today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary: the 2025 Harley Davidson Livewire, an electric motorcycle that marks the beginning of a new era for the legendary brand. Harley Davidson, known for its iconic V-twins and roaring engines, has taken a bold step into the electric world, and the Livewire is at the forefront of that change. A bold step into the future. When you think of Harley Davidson, you probably picture classic cruisers with massive engines and an unmistakable rumble. The 2025 Livewire challenges that image in the best possible way. This is Harley's electric revolution, and it's nothing like the gas-painted bikes we've known. Design features. The 2025 Livewire boasts a futuristic, minimalist design with a focus on aerodynamics. Its smooth curves and sharp lines set it apart from traditional Harley models, with no compromises on style. The frame-mount battery housing integrates seamlessly into the bike's structure, ensuring a clean look while contributing to the bike's center of gravity and handling dynamics. As expected from Harley, the Livewire offers premium materials with high-end finishes, from the sleek black and chrome accents to the vibrant color options, including new shades for 2025. Power and performance. When it comes to electric motorcycles, performance is what truly sets them apart, and the 2025 Harley Davidson Livewire doesn't disappoint. Unlike traditional gas engines, the Livewire's electric motor offers instant torque from the moment you twist the throttle. The Livewire's permanent magnet electric motor produces an impressive 105 horsepower and 86 left of torque. This means you get fast acceleration and a thrilling ride every time you hit the throttle. The Livewire can hit 60 mph in just 3 seconds, providing blistering acceleration that'll leave most gas-pounded bikes in the dust. With a top speed of 95 mph, the Livewire isn't just for city commuting. It's built for highway speeds and open-road thrill. The Livewire features a low center of gravity thanks to the battery placement, providing sharp, responsive handling that allows you to carve through corners with ease. The adjustable suspension and premium braking system give you full control, whether you're riding through urban streets or hitting twisty back roads. Technology. Harley Davidson didn't just focus on power and design when building the 2025 Livewire. They also packed it full of cutting-edge technology. As an electric bike, the Livewire comes equipped with features that enhance the overall experience. From ride modes to advanced connectivity, the Livewire integrates with the HD Connect app, allowing you to monitor your bike's status, track its location, and even receive over-the-air updates to keep your bike at the cutting edge. Harley has equipped the Livewire with multiple ride modes, including Sport, Rain, and Road, allowing you to tailor the bike's performance to the conditions and your riding style. The bike uses regenerative braking to feed energy back into the battery, extending range and increasing efficiency, especially during city rides. The Livewire's 4.3-inch color TFT screen provides critical information such as speed, charge status, range, and battery performance in a sleek, easy-to-read interface. Range and charging. One of the biggest concerns when it comes to electric motorcycles is range. Harley has put a lot of thought into this, making sure the Livewire delivers a usable range without the constant need to charge. The 2025 Livewire offers a range of 146 miles on a single charge, city riding, which is perfect for commuting, city cruising, and even weekend adventure. With DC fast charging capabilities, you can charge the Livewire up to 80% in just 40 minutes, so you're back on the road quickly. At home, you can plug the Livewire into a standard outlet for overnight charging, ensuring it's ready to go when you are. With the ability to charge quickly and travel longer distances, the Livewire removes the anxiety of long road trips or daily commuting, offering a seamless electric experience. Pricing and final thoughts. The 2025 Harley Davidson Livewire is not just an electric motorcycle. It's a statement that the future of motorcycling is electric. With its innovative design, impressive performance, and advanced tech, Harley has set the bar for the next generation of riders. Price? The Livewire comes with a premium price tag, starting around $22,000. But for those looking to enter the electric motorcycle market with the legendary Harley Davidson name behind them, it's an investment worth considering. Conclusion: is the future of Harley Davidson electric? So, what do you think about the 2025 Harley Davidson Livewire? Does it represent the future of motorcycling? Or is the shift to electric a bit too much for the iconic brand? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Speed Society for more exciting reviews, updates, and all things automotive. Stay tuned and, as always, ride smart, ride electric.